Fantastic 5, number 36. We want to order from least to greatest. So the first thing we do is look at the numbers that we have. And I see that we have positive and negative numbers. So therefore, let's put these numbers in order from least to greatest. Negative 15. Negative 10. Negative 5. 0. 5. 10. 15. I do recommend underlining least to greatest to make sure that you put them in order from least to greatest and not greatest to least. Now, number 2. Name the next 3 terms. How do you know? Well, here's our pattern. I'm at 6 and I need to get to 13. If this is 6, what do I need to do to get to 13? Oh, wow. Here's a one-step equation. 6 plus what number will give me 13? I know that 6 plus 7 equals 13. Will this hold true for the next? 13 plus 7 equals 20. And 20 plus 7 equals 27. So therefore, the next number will be 27 plus 7, which is 34. 34 plus 7, which is 41. And 41 plus 7, which will be 48. How do I know this? I know this because my expression is n plus 7. Whatever number that I have, I'm going to add 7. Draw a heptagon with congruent sides. A heptagon is merely a 7-sided polygon. Alright, and congruent sides means that all these sides must be equal. And since I am not a fantastic drawer, I'm going to use the magic of creating 7 lines. And even better, I'm going to copy my lines to make sure that they are congruent. The beauty of using technology, because I am told by my instructions that my lines must be congruent. So if I can get this to work, oh, here we go. I'm going to copy this 7 times. So I have one line. And we're going to just connect these to form varied shapes. Alright, let's see if I can get this to work here. So that's 3. That's 4. All right. 5. And there is nothing special about this shape that I'm making. I just want my shape, no matter how crazy it may look, to have 7 sides and that the sides are congruent. That is the only purpose of my shape. Nothing fancy about it at all. There. My 7-sided polygon, which is a heptagon with congruent sides. Now I'm going to find the area of a circle if the diameter is 4 centimeters square. I know that the area of a circle, area equals pi radius square. I know that pi is 3 14/100. I know that my radius with a diameter of 4 will be 2, and I'm going to square that. So therefore I have 3 14/100 times 4. And I'm going to use my calculator. 3 14/100 times 4 equals 12 56/100. And it is 12 56/100 centimeters square. It is square because we're looking for the area of a two-dimensional figure. So it is centimeters square, not centimeters, because remember centimeters deal with linear units. And it's not cube because cube deals with volume. Now we must construct a circle graph using the data in the table shown. Favorite candy. A Snicker bar is 50%. The Mars candy bar is 25%. And a Kit Kat is 25%. I know that 50% is 1/2 because the percent is a number out of 100. And 50 over 100 is equivalent to 1/2. So I'm going to get me a circle. And I'm going to divide my circle in half. And then I'm going to get me another line. And I want to divide that into fourths. Because I know that my Snicker bar is 50%. The Mars candy bar is 25%, which is 1/4. And the Kit Kat is another 1/4, which are equivalent to 50%, which is half of the Snicker. And there you have it. Fantastic 5, number 36.